Ecofeminism. Ecofeminism is a philosophy and movement that explores the interconnectedness of two major issues: the oppression of women and the exploitation of nature. Ecofeminism argues that both problems stem from the same cause: systems of domination and control. Think about it. Societies often treat women as resources to be controlled, just like they treat forests, rivers, and animals as commodities to be exploited. Ecofeminists believe that by addressing these systems of power, we can create a more just and sustainable world. The term ecofeminism was first introduced in the 1970s by French feminist François de Eubon, who argued that the patriarchal structures harming women were also destroying the environment. Since then, ecofeminism has grown into a global movement, blending activism, philosophy, and environmentalism. One of the key ideas in ecofeminism is that women, especially in developing countries, are disproportionately affected by environmental crises. For example, when climate change causes droughts or floods, it's often women who bear the brunt of the impact. In many rural communities, women are responsible for gathering water, food, firewood, tasks that become nearly impossible when natural resources are depleted. This connection shows how gender inequality and environmental degradation are deeply intertwined. Ecofeminism isn't just about theory, it's about action. Take Vandana Shiva, an Indian scholar and activist who has become one of the most prominent voices in ecofeminism. She fights against corporate control of agriculture, particularly the use of genetically modified seeds, which she argues harm small farmers, many of whom are women. Shiva advocates for earth democracy, a model that prioritizes local ecosystems, community rights, and gender equality. Her work shows how ecofeminism can inspire real world change. Ecofeminism isn't just about women, it's about everyone. It challenges all forms of oppression, whether based on gender, race, class, or species. For instance, indigenous cultures have long practiced ecofeminist principles, honoring the sacred connection between humans and the earth. Their wisdom reminds us that sustainability isn't a new idea, it's an ancient way of living that modern societies need to reclaim.